Seriously, this was the one place, one consistent place that we had in Wisconsin that we could come to. Otherwise, we're like, well, let's go to Indiana, let's go to Minnesota. We're driving. If you're driving that far, why not compete? You know.
And this was probably the most extreme place you could actually go to in Wisconsin and actually have fun.
When you take a picture or video, it never really shows the actual incline of the hill. I mean, the real, you know, the straight altitude you're getting. I mean, you got to get somebody out there, look at the rig, take them for a ride. You know, it's interesting showing people just going for a ride around the house, and you crawl in through a ditch and you can take one of these things and climb it 6 foot up a tree, and they look at you like, you know, it's your own personal, you know, carnival ride basically when it comes down to it.
What I like most about it is the feeling of weightlessness. So when you get up on a hill and you're just sitting there suspended, you don't know if you're going to slide back down or make it up over the hill on that gear shift. It's just the unknown. It's an adrenaline rush. There isn't a drug out there that can replace it.
I guess I like everything about it. We get to go camping. I got 2 young boys that are going to be growing up in it. So you got camping, you got 4-wheeling, you get to do a little bit of wrenching.
I've had people come over, they help you with stuff right away. There's a community effect with it. I can bring my family. We can go play, have fun, be totally safe in something that is enclosed. You're in an environment that's just conducive for all of it. It's a great time.